friends. In this video I would be showcasing as to how to go ahead and read the main headings present in the data set, so that I'm aware of what all columns are there and what are the headings of these particular columns that have been present in my data set. Now that is what I have given in the hash sign, so that we are aware as to what to do. And the simple coding would be df. Why df? Df is my data frame where I should say the file, air quality file, the data set that I'm going to use is saved, and it is invoking or revoking the df data frame. I would be able to understand as to what my data set looks like. Now the simple coding is df.head, which means that I'm asking them to showcase the headings of the data frame which is present. And what is the data frame that I have got? Df. I have gone ahead and I have saved the air quality CSV file for myself. And here you can see immediately once I run the code, here you can see that yes, it has got the serial number is starting from 0. Now that is how the Python understand. It does not start off from 1, the numbering part of it, number 1. Number 2, date, time, and all these are the rest of the details that has been presented to me in my data set. So it's a very simple one. However, we should understand and know as to what are the different things are present in our coding, so that we can know about our own data. And let me show you more and more varieties of it, so that you are able to understand and know how to play with your own data before I can go proceed further with the analysis also. So what I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to stop here in this particular video of mine, wherein I have done a simple thing. I've written the code df.head, simple brackets open, simple brackets close, and once I have run the particular code, you can see that yes, the entire file is coming in front of me. However, be very careful that yes, it reads only the first 5 columns. Okay, now it is not going to give you the entire file, that is 9471 rows which are present. It is just going to read the first 5 columns, number 1. Number 2, give rows, I mean to say the 5 rows, and the column headings would be showcased to you in a complete manner. Now that is the importance of df.head. And this one is going to be taking care of it. Now in the next video, what I will do it is I will introduce to you another way in which you can read the data itself, so that we can know more about it. So till then, thanks and take care. Bye.